Now that you've built your safety net, you've escaped the lifestyle creep trap, and your cash is earning a solid return, what's next? Leaving your long-term money in a savings account means leaving massive tax-free gains on the table. Enter the Roth IRA, the closest thing we have to a legal cheat code in personal finance. While your high-yield savings account protects your emergency cash, a Roth IRA puts your long-term money to work. The IRS lets you contribute up to $7,500 a year, and every single cent grows completely tax-free. That tax-free growth is the secret weapon of compound interest. Give it enough time to work, and those steady annual contributions turn into serious long-term wealth. Best of all, when retirement finally arrives, every single dollar you withdraw is 100% tax-free. Plus, you can withdraw your original contributions anytime, penalty-free, giving you a built-in safety net. But the real power shows up when you combine tax-free growth with time. Even modest contributions start to snowball. Let's say you put in the full $7,500 every year and average a solid long-term return. After 10 years, you could be looking at well over $100,000. And you haven't paid a dime in taxes on the gains. Stretch that to 20 years and the numbers get almost unfair. This is why people call the Roth a wealth-building machine. Now, a lot of people worry they make too much money to contribute. The income limits do exist, but there's a workaround. It's called the Backdoor Roth. You contribute to a traditional IRA, then convert it, completely legal and commonly used. Another big question, what if you need the money before retirement? Remember, your contributions can come out anytime, tax and penalty-free. That flexibility is huge. It means the Roth can still act like a backup emergency fund if life throws something unexpected at you. Just don't touch the earnings early if you can help it. Let those grow untouched so the compounding stays intact. So here's the simple game plan. Keep your emergency cash in a high-yield savings account. Then start feeding your Roth IRA every month or every paycheck. Even small, consistent amounts add up fast. Set it up once, automate the contributions, and let time and tax-free growth do the heavy lifting. This is how regular people quietly build serious wealth without needing a massive income or perfect timing. You already built the safety net. Now it's time to put the long-term money to work. Open the Roth, start contributing, and let compound interest do the work. And if you want to supercharge it even more, check out our next video on how to master your 401k. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not indicative of future results.